In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to cheese Toji in Jujutsu Infinite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. A lot of players of Jujutsu Infinite like to farm Toji. This is because Toji can be soloed, and there is a trick for you to get into the Toji raid reliably. So all that you have to do to find Toji and be able to farm him for loot over and over again is first go into your server and see if the Toji raid is open. If it is, you will be able to walk up to the portal and just stay there. You can go in alone without any problems, and as long as you are well equipped and you know how to play, how to do your combos, you will be able to defeat him, no problem. Just follow his moveset, make sure that you learn to counter, when to attack, and you will be good to go. Now, if you notice that your server does not have the raid open, a trick that you can use to get into a new server is to just open the players list, so pause the game, press escape or start, and block someone from your server. What this is going to do is force you into a new server, so all that you have to do is block someone who is currently on your server and then rejoin. Because you cannot be in the same game as someone who you have blocked, they are just going to throw you into a new server. And by doing this, you can go ahead and check if the Toji raid is available. If it is, once again, walk up to the portal, stay there, and you will be teleported alone, so you don't even need 4 players to go. Once you go into the Toji raid, like I said, it's as simple as just using all of your skills, all of your abilities, and you will be able to beat him even alone. You will be able to see the health bar at the top, and you will be able to learn his moveset. Sometimes he might have a golden aura around him, which indicates a reduction in damage and the way that he combos and attacks, and after you defeat him, he will drop a loot chest that you can get and teleport back. Sometimes you might be able to get multiple Toji raids back to back to back in the same server, but if you cannot find the raid open, once again, just block someone from your server and repeat. I hope I was able to help you on how to cheese Toji in Jujutsu Infinite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.